Hello, this is Sarita, and I'm speaking to you today from Soulhenge. And I'm here to help you understand the truth about who you are. Now, what I wanted to share with you today, and hopefully ongoing from today, is a really beautiful practice that I learnt during my shamanic training, which is called dream weaving. And it's a practice where a group of people get together and they set an intention to do something or to have a question answered during their dream state, so while they're asleep and dreaming. And then all of the dreams of all the people in the group are gathered, and the person who's doing the dream weaving washes the dreams through their energy centers and creates the dream weave, which is, the way I perceive it, a piece of encoded information of all of the dreams woven together. And what happens then is that that dream weave can be received by those who hear it. And the reception of that dream weave within their energy field and their being changes them. It up-levels them with the new information that has been received. And it's a really beautiful practice, particularly at the moment, because I feel as if this new world, this fifth dimensional world that we are moving into, needs to be, in fact, co-created by us. And I feel as if what's happening in the world right now is that we are waking up to the illusion of what's been going on. We're waking up to the dream. And I also feel as if we can dream our new world into being. And the really beautiful thing about dreaming with other people is that the dream world is a place where we are all meeting anyway. And it's because it exists within the fourth dimension and in higher realms as well. So in higher realms than the one that we are currently in this third dimensional reality, we're going to have access to higher information, to a bigger awareness about ourselves as multidimensional beings, and to receiving information that we just can't normally receive in this third dimensional reality. And we're all in the fourth dimension and in higher realms sometimes when we're dreaming. And it's really beautiful to be able to bring all of that information back and to use it to change what's going on with us in this third dimensional reality. So I really feel like we are co-creating heaven on earth together, and we can dream it into being. And there are many traditions and practices that use dream work, and it really is an extraordinarily amazing tool to activate enlightenment, to activate expanded consciousness and expanded states of awareness. So what I did was, because I wanted to bring a dream weave to all of you, and I've been working with a group. I did a virtual retreat with a group, and I asked them if they would be willing to dream on behalf of everybody on the channel, and they said yes. And you'll see the names of the women who have dream weaved for you. I'll put them in the description box. So heartfelt thanks to these women. And so we decided to set a dream intention, and I did it with them, and they all went and dreamed this information for you. So the intention and the question that we fell asleep dreaming to was, how can we act upon our ascension? So how can we enact our ascension? And we all fell asleep dreaming this, and all the dreams came in, and then I washed them through my energy centers. And what I'm about to read to you is the dream weave. It's the collective dream weave. So the way that you're going to receive this dream weave, or the way that we've learnt, or I've learnt in my tradition, is that literally you're going to pour breathe it. So I'm going to relax you and I'm going to get you to begin to breathe through every pore in your body. So basically you're imagining that the breath is coming through every pore in your body, you know, even the little pores in your fingers, all the pores in your scalp, every pore in your body. It's a really beautiful experience to breathe, to pore breathe, even, you know, on its own without a dream weave. So you're going to begin to pore breathe. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the dream weave to you, and you're going to pore breathe it into your body. And you don't need to understand it. You don't need anything. You just need to allow it to come into you, knowing that it's a gift that's been given to you with intention, with heart-centered attention. And as everything is encoded information, this will encode you in a new way. And really, dream weaves can be absolutely beautiful and incredibly powerful. So I really hope you enjoy this experience. So I'll talk you through the whole thing. There's nothing that you need to remember. If you wish, you can lie down to receive this dream weave. So when you're ready, you're going to either lie down or sit up. You're going to take a breath in, take a breath out, and close your eyes. And as your eyelids close and you drop into the darkness, you're going to begin to follow your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And allowing this simple act, this connection to your breath, to drop you into a deeper state of awareness within yourself. Breath in, breath out. And you're going to slow your breath down just a little. And really deepen into yourself. And what you're going to do now is you're going to begin to imagine that you are breathing through every pore of your body. So as you breathe in, the breath is filling you through every pore of your body, filling you all around, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Feel breath coming in through the pores of the skin of your arms, your face, your torso, your shoulders, through the pores inside your nose, your lips, your eyelids, inside your ears, your scalp. Every single surface, centimeter of your being is receiving breath. And feel what it is to pore breathe. And you are now going to set your intention to receive into your being the dream weave in which we asked how to enact our ascension. So setting your intention and continuing to pore breathe. And as I read the dream weave to you, you are going to allow it to fill you through every pore of your body and change you. How loud can we roar now? Can our voices be heard in the distant lands of those who see to arrest our vision? How far will you go to protect the child within? The tribes and the hives are growing. The light is stronger. Our connections gain confidence, take flight in all directions. Together, we can exit into our real work, not in secret, not in slavery, nor criminality, and not as threatened mothers of our lands. The dreams of what is to be are coming faster now. They overlay each other where the cross meets the circle. 12 is the number of a beating heart that races ahead to heal itself. All the while knowing that this ancient code is nourished within us. Patriarchy is dead. It is going up in flames. Nothing can stop it, especially not fear or desperation. The place of our original birth is now. The past never was, and we must rescue the children. But rescue yourself first, for we must each find that safety, that willingness to die, to protect our shifting selves. Wake up before you leave and know yourself as the eye in the sky opening into the apex pyramid of the world. There is a calmness as you wake. So it is, thy will be done.